This is for everyone who's ever been poked by steel wire. This is silver solder from the plumbing section, and in the same aisle you have the flux, regular paste flux that goes with it. So what we're going to do is take our steel wire and dip it right into the flux. Doesn't have to be too far. There we go. And now we're going to melt some silver solder. I already have some in a spoon. And we're simply going to dip it in. Watch what happens. Okay, my solder is melted. Now just the heat of the solder is going to allow it to soak it up into the wire. There we go. Now we'll just let that cool off. It's still pretty hot, so I don't want to handle it just yet. You're not going to get any lower of a profile than soldering the end together. And the plus is you can even grind it down a little bit and smooth everything out. Now it's fused together. It's not going to come apart. And one of the plus sides to this is if you wanted to coat this cable, for example, with some rope, it would slide easily through. And now you could make this bright red or whatever color you wanted. Now you know.